What up, YouTube family? I'm Tasha.
And it's Sheen.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Please, guys, come on in. We'll be ready for you.
Yay! What the fuck was up with that double shot, bro?
Guys, that's not normal, but she said don't really take the shot.
All right, YouTube fam, I'm Tosh. Welcome back.
And it's Sheen.
All right, guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
Please like, share, subscribe.
All right, so family, what we got here? We have some king crab, we got some corn, we got some potatoes, some broccoli, we got the famous B-Love spicy garlic butter, some Alfredo, some spicy mayo. All right, we just gonna go ahead and dig in. We starved, guys. We hungry, hangry.
Okay,
Right.
guys. Start with a potato.
I'm going in for that mayo, though, bro.
Forget that. I want the butter with the seasonings, the seasonings. Is it good, baby?
That's right.
Damn, put your ass in it.
I'm sorry. I ain't gonna kill you.
Baby, I think you were trying to kill me. Guys, let me tell you. Family that cooks together, prays together, does what?
Stay together.
I gotta get into these crab legs, guys.
It's hot. Oh, well, you want to play this round when you got these king crab, baby.
You gotta be extra. So, guys, about this corn, I mean, it's so sweet. So good. I'm over here slobbing on it, baby.
Slob on the corn. On the cob.
Check it with me. And I'm gonna do that job.
Y'all see that? Yes, sir. Let me get in there.
Slurp it, baby. It's 5-5.
Shit fire.
So, guys, one thing that we like to do together is take shots at the end. You're gonna see how we end this thing. Yeah, baby, you gotta cut you again.
But look at all that crab, though.
Let
Let me try that Alfredo.
me go ahead and come in, guys, with this because if I don't, she gonna eat them all. You know, them crab legs gonna keep you full for too long.
This is you. Delicious, though.
You did a good job.
It is good, though.
Ain't it?
I'm just saying, I don't think a piece of nothing
And these crabs.
in that shell. Ooh. Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm putting my first one.
Look at me. They say B-Love sauce delicious.
Hold up. Now like them big old king crab, guys. Put one. I don't want enough Alfredo.
You like it, baby?
I really love it. Like it's an honest statement. So it doesn't really take long to make this.
What about these shrimp on for the go ahead though?
Damn, how much cayenne put in?
You really think it's spicy? I mean, I like the spice, but this just B-Love recipe.
She put her ass in that. Let's start broccoli.
I remember you tried to teach me how to open up a crab leg and just pull out the meat at one time. Oh, babe, spice got you. But it's a
Too much cayenne.
It's a good guy though, right?
Baby, it's 5.
Got my meat out.
You know, it's been a long time since I've been away from Nashville, so that Nashville hot chicken shit I've been used to. God's trying to kill me over here.
I ain't ready to open that up.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm gonna have to.
You have to use your kitchen shares. I like that mayo. Have you
I
tried that
haven't
mayo?
tried it yet. I'm about to try it next. I like to try everything you do.
Put some lime juice on it. Oh, this lime and lemon.
Lemon, same thing. A little different, but same. Kind of like tomato, potato. Baby, what you putting that sriracha? You did that.
But that garlic butter is a little spicy though, boo.
I'm gonna say, damn. Let it just leave me out there hanging.
It's spicy, but it's one of them
bad. I can't wait to open it.
hurts so good.
It hurts so good.
Yeah.
It does. Without these chicken shears, we would not be able to open this crab. Cause guess what I'm used to doing, baby?
Biting it with your teeth. Oh my. I need all mine. I gotta keep mine.
Listen, I can't do them with these though.
Oh, dip.
And this slip.
Good.
Got so much garlic in this.
I do. It's garlic and onion in here. Be love for onion hers.
Some more lemon on mine. Thank you, baby.
You feeling that?
I'm past feeling it. Now, am I the only person who feel like I could eat crab and hungry again in about 2 hours?
You know?
Not about fear, but I get hungry after crab is. I can't lie to you.
But this was a good meal. I'm excited about it.
It's butter five.
Broccoli a day keeps the doctor away.
Talking about this tree of life. Have you been talking about that?
Hey. Oh, come on now.
God done had these veggies.
Baby, did you get ordered crab out of here? Try
I'm
that.
trying to hide something for you because shit, you busting it down, Tatiana.
Hey, baby, you remember I changed my name on Snapchat so my nephew would
Follow you.
would accept my request.
What was the name? Tatiana.
Tatiana. Because I knew if I put my real name, he would be like, nah, that's my auntie.
And I was following him the whole time. Then you know what he was doing.
Yeah. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that in there. It's good, baby. This was delicious. And y'all, I can guarantee you that we're gonna get better with these mukbangs. This is our ever first video. We're excited about it. It's fun, it's exciting to get to know new people, to connect with different people, and to just learn from the professionals who've been doing this for forever. So if you got any comments or suggestions or any info that can help make our YouTube channel better,
Please do it.
feel free to do it. Check that out. Yes, sir. Limp, and did the butter.
And for the ones who really know us, y'all know we love to cook. You know we like to get in the kitchen. That's where our love started. Dang, baby. It real good.
It is.
Oh, hold on. I'm getting a piece out right now.
I haven't played around with these.
Me neither, shoot.
Literally,
It's the first time for everything.
getting all the meat out.
Fire.
Feeling like I need to bring that little garlic sauce over here to me.
I know. You just go ahead and pour some on this nice little scrimp.
Lobsters and scrimps. Oh.
What you looking for?
It was delicious. It was very good. Have you ever had it like that before?
I didn't. Not since you be born.
Hey,
Guys,
y'all.
all these sauces, bussin'.
Really good. We gotta remember to be looking at the camera, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry, God, you know, be inside the plate. Just know we love you. Our viewers. Mi casa, su casa.
Yes, sir.
Look how you put that spice on it though.
I can't tell you if you didn't have coffee.
I mean, choking and shit, I wasn't ready
Right.
for it. I didn't adapt it to it though. Why my baby busting me out like that though? I'm slurping on it, ain't I?
Slurp. Slob on that knob. We don't own the copyrights to that.
Let's say that again. I'm trying to get fucked up on the first one. Beverly, what else you put in here? Just the.
I use everything B-Love said use. So, we'll put her link for her garlic butter down below.
Guys, remember, just share, support, and please subscribe.
Can I double dip? Can I get it like in there?
Since when don't you double
And
dip?
in there like that?
Since when don't you double dip, baby? Don't be acting brand new.
Look at this fire.
Look at that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and double dip too. I'm gonna do this in the Alfredo. Oh, cheese.
It is so good.
I'm sorry. King crab is where it's at. Forget snow crab. Look what just came out. Don't that look good? Oh my God. Okay, wait, let me feed you. Now, you know I don't really want to share that, but
I know you did,
share
baby.
it.
I know. All that meat too.
I appreciate you leaving me a little bit though.
You know I always been trying to be thoughtful.
You always have been, baby.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and open up this last scrimp. Oh nope, there's one more. These are already deveined. I don't want to eat the dookie shoot.
Oh, wow.
Okay, give me one more piece of corn. I want some of that, those seasonings.
These
Oh,
have been delicious.
fine.
Yes.
But them seasons that you got in them. Them onions and garlic. Like a little palate. Can't beat that, can you?
I mean, it's really good.
It really, really is. You season this to the gods.
Oh, look what I found, honey.
But this one,
Okay.
that's okay.
Is you eating all that meat out of there? I got to check you.
God, we trust everything else. We gotta check thoroughly.
Got to check thoroughly.
Oh, baby, look how much meat is coming out. Oh, I gotta eat this the right way.
I'm missing a knuckle or something on there, bro.
You already ate it earlier. You just don't remember.
I did not touch that. I did not touch that.
What does it mean? Between these potatoes, broccoli, corn.
You don't know which one is better.
No, I mean, baby, come on, the crab.
Oh, the crab is delicious.
That's where it's at.
I mean, the crab and the shrimp were definitely delicious.
You gotta put that lemon on there.
Yeah. Oh,
you
one got away.
Oh my God. And you messed up the 5-second rule.
One got away. Not the 5-second rule, so I had to eat that on camera.
I mean, I'm not
Really?
sure how you drop that though. See? Wasting food and stuff.
Baby, this is so delicious.
How about a lip burner?
I'm getting full.
That is true. I feel like I done ate a lot. It's like it's gonna be a nap after this.
Huh. An adult nap.
What are
No,
those?
how about them?
We
An
talking about you
adult
every day.
nap.
You want these damn adult naps.
Work all day. Got a little time in between the time to go to sleep for bed, to wake up and do it again. Take it about an hour. Good hour and a half, maybe 2.
I'm gonna say it's never an hour.
Little cat nap.
Or a dog nap.
Hey, whatever floats your boat.
Oh gosh. Hold on guys, let me show you this last little piece that I got. Ooh,
Okay.
I'm just throwing food. I'm just throwing food at you.
I'm getting full.
I'm full of the intro. I'm gonna dip it in the mayo sriracha, 3 cheese.
I think I put a little chipotle in there as well, so I think I got sriracha and chipotle. So I kind of combined 2 cultures together.
That's why I keep on choking and shit.
Nah, you can't. You know, you can't hang with the dogs. You got to stay on the porch now.
What I tell you in the kitchen? Finish getting heat. Baby, all them crab legs have been fried, dyed, and what?
Laid to the side.
Guys, we getting full.
We love y'all.
Before we head out, we're gonna drink. Oh, I can just share.
Before we head out, get away from that on.
With my top lip a little.
This right here gonna make you feel better.
Till next time, guys. Again, it's Sheen.
Tosh,
See
thank
you
y'all for
next time.
watching.